Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. Today is October the 2nd and the chart of the day for today is the dollar index DXY 60 minutes time frame. So we have a rally in the dollar index today, right? And according to the 1 hour time frame here, we are calling this rally to be an expanded flat. So we finished with one here and looking for an A, a B which broke below the beginning of the A, and then now an expanded flat is a 335, right? So this is a 3 waves, and then WXY you can consider that as a 3 swing as well. Then now it's a 335. So we're looking for this dollar index, all right, to finish this EPC structure here, and then after that we might potentially start turning lower again. Now we have reached the 100% extension of the APC. The only issue with the expanded flat is that sometimes expanded flat can extend a long way, like in terms of possibilities we can sometimes even extend all the way up to the 1.618 extension sometimes in some cases, right? So that's the issue with the expanded flat when we are looking to figure out where it's going to end. It's unlike EPC zigzag or a WXY double correction like this one, WXY. We can reliably sort of look for the Y or the C to end somewhere between 100% and 161.8% extension. But in the case of an expanded flat APC like this, C sometimes can go all the way up to 1.61 or even more. But in this case, we are looking at this way. So it's technically from, if we are looking on it from trading perspective, it's not really the best because we, in EWF, we basically do not like trading flats, right? So I'm still doing this chart of the day. Anyway, even though technically it's not the best structure, right? There will be better structure even if you are looking to trade the dollar, right? Maybe other dollar pairs have a better structure here, but this is what we are looking for now. If I zoom out and give you some idea on the daily, right? So basically we're looking to correct September 3rd right now. So we are looking to just have a little bit more upside extension to finish the 2 before it turns lower again. Now if you look at the daily, right, we made a peak here back in 2023 October. If we just simply measure the extension here, you can see, right? So whether you want to call this EP or 1-2, it really is irrelevant. Let's say if this is 1-2, let's say you are bearish, then we have not reached the ideal 100%. There's usually 100% is kind of like the minimum, right? It sometimes truncate, but most of the time it will reach at least 100%. So in this case, and then the rally has no sign of, you know, a major bottom forming or anything like that. So we should conclude that we should continue to see more downside in the dollar because it has not reached 100%, and therefore technically it is a bearish sequence, right? This is technically still a bearish sequence. Now if it breaks below the low here, that's even more bearish, because then if it breaks below the low, which has not, right? If it breaks below this low July, then it will open up a bigger lower low. Then you start from September 2022, and then that will imply a move down all the way from this one. So 1, 2, and then 3 is going to go to a full 100% extension if it can break below this low. But for now we have not, and unless it truncates here, which is less likely in my opinion, and we should continue to see more downside still in the dollar, and therefore rally is expected to fail. But in this case, again, it's not the best dollar structure. I mean, you can look at other US dollar pairs, for example, because it is an expanded flat. But we're looking this to fail somewhere around this area now, between 100 to 161.8, between 1 and 140, which technically has been hit, and between 1 and 140 to 102.1. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys, for the dollar index. As always, if you want to get more updates on the dollar index or any other USD pairs or any other Forex, commodities, stocks, ETF, indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.